Hi, I'd like to welcome everyone out to our virtual science demonstration. Today we're going to be blowing up a gummy bear. My name is Travis Corbello. I'm here for the Children's Museum with my friends Wayne, Brandon, and Trent, and we're filming this so you can have something to watch while you're at home. I hope your kids enjoy it, and I hope the adults enjoy it too. They do tend to love the science demonstrations that we put on, and it's for everyone. Today, like I said, we're going to be taking just a plain old gummy bear and showing you exactly how much energy is in one tiny little gummy bear. And the way that we're going to do that is with a salt called potassium chlorate. It is an oxidizer, and it grabs the available energy bonds in those sugar molecules and completely disintegrates them, uses them, produces a lot of heat and a lot of light. And this also shows why parents have not been giving their kids as much sugar during this Corona vacation we've had, because they'll be bouncing off the walls. There's a lot of energy in sugar. We'll take this salt, and it looks like a regular table salt. It is anything but regular table salt though. We're going to take our propane torch right here. Very, very hot flame. We're going to melt this salt inside of this test tube. Get it completely liquefied. And available for a chemical reaction. Won't take very long. Several times I've done this in a couple of different places, including the Children's Museum, and accidentally set off the fire alarm. That was fun. Fire department came out and everything, but at least we know the fire alarm system works. I've set it off in a couple of schools. It was a lot of fun. At least we know the fire system works. We've got it almost completely melted. There we go. We're going to take a yellow gummy bear, doesn't matter what color. We're going to drop him in there. 3, 2, 1. Very, very vigorous, violent reaction. Oh. And just like any reaction, it releases a lot of heat and a lot of light. This is just smoke, regular condensate. It smells like burnt marshmallows in here. And that is it. Once it has all of the available sugar reacted, the reaction stops, it dies off, and that is it. We have reached the end of it. That is all the available energy inside there, but you can see a lot of energy inside there. A little bit of smoke, and it does in fact smell like burnt marshmallows. So thank you all for watching. If you have any questions or comments, or if there's something else you'd like to see, we could try and make that possible. I'll try and do some weekly content for the Children's Museum. Thanks again for watching.